Understanding Test Blueprint, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting concept, the test blueprint. This term is crucial in the field of education and assessment, and understanding it can greatly help in both preparing for and designing tests. Let's dive in. A test blueprint, also known as a test specification, is essentially a plan or a guide used for the construction of a test or exam. It outlines what will be tested, how it will be tested, and the weightage of different parts of the test. Think of it as a blueprint for a building, but instead of walls and rooms, it maps out questions and topics. Every test blueprint contains several key components. These include 1. Content areas, the main subjects or topics that the test will cover. 2. Test objectives, what the test aims to assess, like knowledge, understanding, application, or analysis skills. 3. Format of questions, whether the test will have multiple choice questions, essay-type questions, or a mix of different types. 4. Difficulty level, distribution of questions based on their difficulty level. 5. Weightage, how much each section or type of question contributes to the final score. Understanding these components can help test takers focus their study and preparation effectively. Test blueprints are vital in education for several reasons. They ensure that the test accurately assesses the intended learning outcomes. They help in creating fair and balanced tests, where no single topic dominates unfairly. They guide teachers and test designers in creating tests that are aligned with curriculum goals. For students, knowing the blueprint can help in strategizing their study plans. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of a test blueprint and its importance in the educational process. Whether you're a teacher designing a test or a student preparing for one, understanding this concept can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next session where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.